I'm the safety director for a major culinary school, and over the past 2 years we've completely revolutionized fire safety training for future professional chefs. Our students now graduate with fire safety skills that many working chefs have never learned, and the results are transforming kitchen safety across the restaurant industry. Today I'm sharing the professional techniques we teach and explaining why fire blankets have become essential equipment in culinary education. Culinary schools face unique fire safety challenges. We have hundreds of students learning to work with high heat, hot oils, and unfamiliar equipment. Many students come from different cultural cooking backgrounds with varying fire safety knowledge. Most importantly, we're training the next generation of professional chefs who will be responsible for kitchen safety in restaurants worldwide. Traditional culinary education focused primarily on cooking techniques with fire safety treated as an afterthought. Students learned to cook professionally but graduated with inadequate knowledge about preventing and suppressing kitchen fires. This gap in education was contributing to fire incidents in professional kitchens nationwide. 2 years ago, we partnered with fire safety experts to develop a comprehensive fire prevention and suppression curriculum. Fire blankets became the centerpiece of this program because they represent the most effective and practical approach to kitchen fire safety in professional environments. Here's what we learned during curriculum development. Professional chefs need fire safety solutions that work during high-pressure service periods when seconds matter and panic isn't an option. Traditional fire suppression methods often interrupt service and contaminate food preparation areas. Fire blankets allow immediate fire suppression without stopping kitchen operations or creating cleanup problems. Our students now learn fire blanket techniques alongside fundamental cooking skills. They practice suppressing controlled fires during practical exercises. They understand the science behind fire suppression and can make informed decisions during real emergencies. Most importantly, they graduate with the confidence to handle kitchen fires safely and effectively. The training protocol we developed is now being adopted by culinary schools nationwide. Students learn to identify fire risks before they become emergencies. They practice fire blanket techniques until they become second nature. They understand how to maintain kitchen safety during high-volume service periods. Let me demonstrate the professional technique we teach. Fire blankets are positioned for immediate access at all cooking stations. When a fire occurs, the chef's response is automatic: cover the fire, assess the situation, continue service if safe to do so. The entire process takes less than 10 seconds and doesn't disrupt kitchen operations. But here's what makes this training revolutionary. Our graduates are entering the restaurant industry with fire safety skills that exceed those of many experienced chefs. They're implementing fire blanket programs in their new workplaces and training other kitchen staff on proper techniques. We're creating a generation of culinary professionals who prioritize safety alongside food quality. The results speak for themselves. Restaurants that hire our graduates report fewer kitchen fire incidents and improved overall safety culture. Our students feel more confident in their professional abilities because they know they can handle emergencies effectively. The entire culinary industry benefits from chefs who understand that safety and excellence go hand in hand. Here's what this means for home cooks. The same fire safety techniques that protect professional kitchens during busy service periods work perfectly in home kitchens during everyday cooking. Fire blankets aren't just professional equipment, they're essential safety tools for anyone who cooks with heat and oil. If culinary schools are teaching fire blankets as essential professional equipment, shouldn't every home kitchen have the same protection? Professional chefs understand that fire safety isn't optional, it's fundamental to successful cooking. Learn from professional culinary education. Install fire blankets in your kitchen, practice the techniques during calm moments, and cook with the same safety standards that professional chefs maintain. Your kitchen deserves professional-level fire safety protection.